Hey, it's Tim. Hey, we got a 2018 Dodge Charger. We are going to see, he's got a complaint about a noise coming from the front on the pulley system. Let's see what's going on. I'm sorry. This is a Chrysler 300. Oh, all right. Awful noise is coming. I'm gonna take this bell off and I'm gonna go around on this water pump. Okay, so we know for a fact without the belt there's no noise, so it's not coming from the engine. So I'm gonna say probably the culprit's gonna be this water pump. So let's put that on there real quick. Water pump itself's pretty easy. I just take the bolts out, add them back in there. Makes it real easy, makes it real quick. It's just right there under your two bottom hoses. And you got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bolts. Take your hoses off, take your bolts off. There's a million videos on the water pumps here. I'm going to change that, and I'm going to change this. Anything with a bearing that could be possibly making a noise like that. This one right here on the tensioner itself sounds fine, but this one has a little rattle to it. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the water pump. I'm going to take this water pump off and spin it around too, because right now it don't feel so good to me. Well, I think we found the culprit. I can barely move this thing. Yeah, this thing barely even moves. It's probably making all kinds of racket and wore out. See how the new one is? The new one should be nice and easy to turn. This one you can barely turn it. So make sure you clean your maintenance service up on your new gasket. Let's throw this on and see how it sounds. Alright, I'm gonna bleed the system out of it right now. Bleeding the coolant. Of course, you have your bleeder valve right down there. Make sure to open that up and fill your coolant up so you check for a leak. Anyway, nice and quiet now. I'm done, Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.